It came from your own mouth. Yeah, that's the Trinity.
I never said that.
Yes, you did. It's recorded.
I didn't say verbatim. I didn't say.
Oh, you want the word Trinity? The word, exact word?
Yes, or something similar. Since
okay, wait. Let's play your game.
How about just?
Let me play your game. Show me the word Tawheed in the Quran.
Okay. Qul huwa Allahu ahad.
Ahad is not Tawheed, and grammatically it's incorrect. But give me the word Tawheed. See, I'm going to play your game. Tawheed.
I just said Tawheed.
Ahad is not Tawheed. Give me Tawheed.
In the Quran.
Yeah, no, in my mother's diary, in her will. Exactly. See? Show me the word Tawheed in the Quran.
I said it. I just said.
Show me where it says Allah is only one shakhs or one person. That he's only one person, one shakhs.
Isn't that the same surah that I just read?
No, because Ahad doesn't. Oh my goodness. Allahu Akbar. No, saying Allah is one doesn't tell me what it means. To say God is one what? Show me the Quran says Allah is one shakhs, one person.
It doesn't say one shakhs because God doesn't ever identify himself as.
You want to bet? In the hadith, he's called a shakhs and a shay.
I am not. I don't like.
Don't do that again. I'm going to embarrass you, sister. Sister, if you reject hadith, we're going to have fun.
Manipulated by men. I'm not. Hadith.
You mean the same hadith that you know? You need to know the Quran. Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar. You don't play games, sister. You don't choose the hadith you like. Okay. Now, since you want to play that game, because you want to prove, I'm not going to prove the Trinity in your Quran. Go to Surah Al-Maryam, chapter 19 of the Quran. Now, I want you to read slowly, 16 to 21, slowly, but read 16 to 19 first.
And mention, O Muhammad, in the book, the story of Mary when she withdrew from her family to a place toward the east. And she took in seclusion from them a screen. Then we sent to her our angel.
No, it doesn't say angel. It doesn't say angel. Correct it. That's the mistranslation. What's the Arabic word? It's ruh. Ruhana.
Ruhana.
Yes, yeah. Right. So we sent her our spirit, right?
Sahih International says our
I
angel.
could care. If it's Da'if International, it doesn't matter. The Arabic is ruh. It doesn't say angel.
Yeah, in Arabic it says ruhana. Yeah.
Okay, so we sent her our spirit. That's why other translations like Piqthal and Arberi, it says ruh. So we sent her our ruh, our spirit. Now keep going.
And he represented himself to her as a well-proportioned man.
Keep going.
She said, indeed, I seek refuge in the most merciful from you. So leave me if you should be fearing of Allah. He said, I am only the messenger of your Lord to give you news of a pure voice.
Astaghfirullah, this is international. How dare it butcher the word of your God. It doesn't say, I'm only a messenger of the Lord to give you news. That's not in the Arabic. It's li ahabba. I've come to give you a faultless son. Correct the English.
It says, قَالَ إِنَّمَا أَنَا رَسُولُ رَبِّكَ لِأَحَبَّ لَكِ.
لِأَحَبَّ لَكِ. It means I came to give you a faultless son. It doesn't say news. So corrected. What did the Spirit actually say? I'm only a messenger of your Lord, sent to give you a faultless son. Right?
Sent to give you a faultless son.
Yeah. Li ahabba isn't I give you news. I give you. The word news is not in the Arabic, right?
It's not. No, the word news is not directly there. But
okay, so translate it word for word. That's why other translations say, I am only a messenger of your Lord sent to give you a faultless son.
Right.
Okay, so who's going to give her a son?
The angel by the will of God.
You said angel again? I'm going to give you $10 million. Show me the word angel. Where did you get angel? It said spirit. So who gave her a faultless son?
According to the Quran.
Right there. What you're reading, that's the Quran, okay. Right? Who gave her a faultless son?
Well, it says angel.
Oh my goodness. I'm going to hit my head against the wall. The word is not angel in the Arabic. You just read it. Ruhana. It's spirit. Who gave her the faultless son?
It just says we blew our spirit, but
no, that's somewhere else.
Angel.
A'udhu billah min Muhammad Rajim. Are you reading in front of your eyes? We sent her our spirit who appeared as a man. The spirit said, I'm only a messenger of your Lord to give you. So who gave her the faultless son? It's in front of you.
The angel.
Oh, the word angel is not in the Arabic. My goodness. Can you say it? The spirit.
No, because I don't have, okay, is there a different English translation? That
Yes, Pickthall and Arbery. There's many translations, man. But you don't need you read the Arabic. You read the Arabic. In 17, it says ruh. It's spirit.
Yeah, yes, we said ruh, and that means spirit. And we know in Arabic, malak is angel.
Yes. So who gave her the faultless son in that chapter?
Correct, but you're like, we're just taking one verse.
No, I'm going to give you other verses. My goodness, you're impatient.
Context.
I'm going to give you context. My goodness, I'm going to give it to you if you can answer. You haven't even answered this. Who gave her a faultless son?
Ruhana.
Okay, what? Translate, please.
Ruhana.
Translate. The spirit gave her a faultless son, right?
Our angel.
See, there you go again. See, you're embarrassing yourself here. You're being recorded. About over 700 people are watching you. This is now going to be on my YouTube channel. Why are you embarrassing yourself? Be honest before God if you fear God. It's ruh, spirit.
If we want to talk about Quran, let's do it in Arabic because that's
okay. You gave me the Arabic ruh. You just said it's not the word angel. So translate ruh in English.
Ruhana.
What does that mean in English?
Spirit.
Oh, Alhamdulillah. Alhamdulillah. Okay, spirit. So who gave her a faultless son?
Who gave her a faultless
son?
Oh
my goodness, man. Are you kidding me?
Like, because you're just trying to trap me in this question.
I'm giving you the ayat. Oh my goodness. It's in front of you, 17 to 19. I am only a messenger of your Lord sent to give you a faultless son. Who's speaking? 17 told you. The ruh, the spirit who appeared as a man. My goodness, you can't get that?
The spirit who appeared as a man is an angel.
No, there's not a single verse in the Quran that says this spirit is an angel. No, give it to me. Show me where it says the spirit is an angel, and show me where it says angels are spirits. I challenge you. It's not in the Quran.
Okay, I'll take your word for it.
Okay, so let's come back now. Who gave her a faultless son?
The ruh.
Can you speak English for the people who speak English?
Okay, for the people that speak English, ruh means spirit.
So who gave her a faultless son?
Ruh, spirit.
Thank you. Finally, thank you, God. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Finally, she said the spirit. So the spirit gave her a faultless son. Now go to Surah Al-Tahrim, chapter 66, verse 12. Now we're going to go to, you said context, right? Now I'm going to give you other verses. Go to Surah Al-Tahrim, chapter 66, verse 12.
And the example of Maryam, the daughter of Imran, who guarded her chastity, so we blew into her garment through our angel, and she
okay, see again this damn translation, butchering of the Arabic Quran. Shame on them. It didn't say we blew through our angel. It says we blew into her of our ruh. Read the Arabic again.
Yeah, fihi min ruhana.
Okay, so what did Allah breathe into her?
Ruhana.
And what is that again for him? What did he breathe into her? What's ruhana?
Well, in English, ruhana means spirit.
Okay, so what did Allah breathe into Mary?
Ruhana.
Who's this girl? I am Swahili. I don't speak Arabic. Translate. What did Allah breathe into her? English.
Oh, okay. If you don't speak, then I would say Allah wrote spirit.
Okay, see? So easy. Everyone heard you.
Spirit.
Allah blew his spirit into her, right?
That's the direct translation.
Yes, good. Okay. But can you tell me what the Arabic, sister, can you tell me what the Arabic ahsanat farjaha means? What's a farj?
Ahsanat farj?
Yes, right there. Ahsanat farjaha. That's the Arabic. What's a farj?
I don't know.
You sure you don't know, or are you just too embarrassed?
Yeah. No, I don't know.
It means the woman's vagina vulva, the private part.
Okay, yeah, that's why I don't know. I don't know words like that.
Okay, well, that's good. I pray God bless you. You stay a pure virgin and meet a godly Christian man to marry you and show you the love of Jesus in Jesus' name. Beautiful. I'm glad you're not spoiled and rotten like 90% of the world population. Anyway, it says, Mary guarded her vagina vulva, and we breathed into her vagina vulva our spirit. Now, let me ask you a question. Why did Allah breathe the spirit into her private part? To do what?
To make her pregnant.
Wow! Everyone heard you. Thank you. So guys, hear what she just said. God sent his spirit to get Mary pregnant. So you just admit the spirit is creator and life giver. Good job. You just admit.
Yeah, by this verse, which specifically says Ruhana. Yeah.
And so the spirit that came to Mary, so the spirit that came to Mary appeared as a man, spoke to her, she spoke to him, and he says, I'm here to get you pregnant. And then he entered her body and got her pregnant. So here you just admit the Spirit of God is a person who can appear as a man who creates and gives life. Now do the math. How many is that? Allah and the Spirit. How many is that?
Yeah. Okay, but I said that's what the direct translation means. I didn't say that was.
So you want to go indirect? What? Okay, how do you go indirect around this? What's the indirect?
I didn't say it was the correct translation.
Okay. Let's go to indirect translation. Translate the way you want. Let's see. Okay, go ahead. Translate it. Let's see how you're going to translate it.
The correct translation is that this is an angel.
So the angel created Jesus. So you made an angel a creator and a partner with Allah. So you now are a mushrik. You just committed shirk. Good job.
By the permission of God, just like
so
Moses
Allah permitted an angel. See, you're still not listening. Allah permitted an angel to create and give life. That means Allah made the angel his partner in creating and giving life. So now you just said Allah is the one who committed shirk. Good job. So Allah is a mushrik. Good job. Yay.